Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Garmin Epix 2. First, let's get started with the basics. To access your maps, simply press the Start button from the watch face, select an activity, then hold down the menu button and choose Navigation. You'll see your current location marked by a blue triangle. You can easily move around the map and zoom in or out using the touchscreen or the watch's physical buttons for precise control. The bright AMOLED screen makes map details incredibly clear. Your Epix 2 comes loaded with several map types, such as detailed topo active maps, plus specialized ski and golf course maps. If you need more, you can easily download additional regional maps directly to your watch using the Map Manager and a Wi-Fi connection. For the best view, you can adjust the map's detail level and enable the auto zoom feature, which automatically selects the best zoom for your current activity. You can also explore premium map layers for even more visual information. Beyond basic viewing, your Epix 2 offers powerful navigation tools. You can create and follow custom courses for your runs or hikes using the Garmin Connect platform. The watch also allows you to navigate directly to any saved locations or points of interest you've marked. A fantastic safety feature is Track Back, which guides you precisely back to your starting point. Plus, the watch can even suggest round-trip courses based on a specified distance, offering up to 3 options. To truly make the map experience your own, customize the settings. You can set the map orientation to north up, keeping north at the top, or track up, aligning the map with your direction of travel. For quick data access, add up to 6 data fields around the map perimeter. To extend your battery life, especially on longer adventures, consider adjusting your satellite settings to auto-select. You can also personalize map colors and contrast for optimal visibility in any environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.